So welcome back. So here we are. We're in Module 6. Now in Module 6, we're going to jump back into the O'Reilly textbook again. And we've covered Chapter 1, Chapter 2. Now we're going to jump into Chapter 3. Much of the content in Chapter 3 has been touched on in the last 2 or 3 modules. But now we're going to dig back into the book and get a little more detail, formal detail from the text. And in this module, we're going to talk about machine learning, something that we've dealt with, as I said, in the past couple, 3 modules. But we're also going to look at data exploration. We'll apply some machine learning techniques using code-free software. Now, when I say code-free, I'd mentioned it previously that we're not going to be doing any formal programming. We're not going to be writing in a programming language like Python or Java or C, C Sharp, C++, whatever it may be. We're not coding. Now, we have talked about the fact that Python is one of, if not the most commonly used languages. It's the most commonly taught language today, but it's one of the most commonly used languages in data science and in AI programming. So with that said, things that we're going to focus on are going to be concepts that we may have talked about already: data wrangling, augmentation, feature engineering, things like that. We'll talk about that in a lecture video you see on the lectures page that will cover Chapter 3. Now, we've also got, as I said, Module 6, we've got a project where you're going to watch another video there walking through programming in Orange. But as I said, there's no coding that's taking place in there. Okay? I notice that I've got this in the wrong place. I'll move that reading up. So you've got 3 tasks to perform in this graded task. It's the programming in Orange project, discussion, very similar to the previous discussions, and a reflection. Okay. So with that said, very straightforward module. And as I said, we're jumping back into Chapter 3 here, and we'll be in, I think it's Chapter 4 in Module 7. All right, so we'll see you in the video over here in lectures to cover Chapter 3 in the text.